Welcome back there, buds. Got a quick question for you. What is everybody's worst enemy in a wood shop? If you said dust, you're probably right. Enter the ShopFox w1830. I purchased this after a few years of using a homemade box fan dust collector just to scrub the air, help to remove a little bit of the dust in the air, you know, doing a lot of sanding, cutting, things like that. You get a lot of dust, and you don't want that. You want to, you know, try to keep it clean as possible, you know, for your health, for your work, everything. So I purchased this with my own money. I have some other ShopFox tools and equipment here. It's all right, you know. It's all about the same anymore. So I bought it so you don't have to. I'm going to open it up with ya, and we'll take a look together and see whether or not it's worth it. It was around $200 US dollars. So let's see if it's worth it or not. I have about a 400 square foot shop. It's like 25 foot by like 15 maybe. It's not too big. It's like about the size of a single car garage. So we're probably pretty good. So let's take a look, get it up, and we'll sand, see if it works. I bought this on Amazon. One thing that I really hate, I live in a pretty good area, so I don't really have to worry about it too much, but I mean, when they ship something and it's just shipped in this box and they show you exactly what they're leaving on your front porch, it just asks to be taken. You know, there's a lot of people out there looking for dust collectors. Sounds like some stuff. Let's give her a flip. Probably should have done it upside down, but so far I like the size. It's pretty small. Pretty small. I like that. The ceiling here is about 7 feet. So don't have a lot of room here to work with. It does have 3 fan settings. There's a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour timer, which is nice. And there's a remote control. Batteries. Wow. Mustang batteries. Got a lot of Chinese writing on there. It's probably what's just underneath your Duracell batteries to begin with. It's the old Mustang. We'll pop these in here. I like to work backwards, in case you didn't know. Eat your dessert first, I always say. Introduction. We got these here. Those we could screw into if you had like wooden joists above you. Could screw those in. I don't have that. These are like metal trusses on the ceiling of this. Not really sure what we're gonna do here. I have an idea. Gotta improvise. I think what I'm gonna do is just hold this up and slide some dowels. Take like a 1/2 inch or 3/4 dowel, slide it through there. Which should work just fine. Just a hair big. Let's take these off. Don't need that. There! Look at that. I really hope I'm not the only person who has to customize every single thing I buy. If it doesn't work for you, then it just doesn't work, you know? You gotta make it work for you. So here's my thinking. I just hold this against the ceiling, and then that should slide between those metal trusses and hold those up there. Yeah, I like that idea. Let's try it. I'm sure nobody will ever believe I did this by myself, but somehow, I wish I had this on video. I got a ratchet strap around here, and I was actually able to get this up here. I think it could just live up here, hopefully. Get this ratchet strap back off. Maybe that might have even been better over there. Nah, I like it. It's fine. It's fine. Son of a bitch, I put that up backwards. Oh, that is the in-feed side. You idiot. Okay. Let's spin it around.
Okay.
Well, it just so happened, when I really needed help, my best bud just happened to walk through the door. So she was able to help hold that up there. We got it facing the right direction because I'm an idiot and I pointed it the wrong direction. So now I got it facing that way and it should circulate around the room, Fingers crossed that's how it works. Try it out. That's low, medium, high. And even at high, it's not very loud at all. I can still hear myself talk. I can still hear somebody else talk. It's not loud at all. And then if I go on low, it's a nice low noise. And then, I mean, I'm sure that remote would work anywhere in this room. All that's left to do now is to really try it out. So we just gotta try it out. I'm gonna use my sander with the vacuum off. So the dust will be going out in the room. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but up here around the lights and all that, you can see just a little bit of fine dust floating. Usually when I spray a piece off like that, the whole room gets very dusty and it stays pretty dusty for a little while. Or I'll put a fan in the window and suck out the dust. But that took care of it within a minute. I'd say this is pretty cleared out now. I don't really see anything out in the air. And that fan is on high. See, that did a pretty quick job of that. You can see in that filter there's already a little bit of dust build up in those grooves. One nice thing is I'm guessing that I could probably just reuse this quite a few times. Just take the shop vac, clean it out, take the filter out, blow it out with some air, reuse it a few times, you know, quite a bit before you actually replace that filter. So let's just take that out and see exactly what that is in there. And it has those two sock filters. These just pull right out. I could just blow those out when they get full. And there's just a little screen in there. Not a bad little setup though. It works 1,000 times better than that box fan setup that I made. I'm sure you've all made too. And now you're debating on whether or not it's worth it to actually purchase a dust collector, an air scrubber. My answer is yes. My one complaint about this, the outside when this air blows out, you can see the little motor. When this air comes out of here, I wish it just came straight out, or even maybe down or whatever. It basically just goes straight up. So what I did, I just put this little piece of wood here, clamped it on, so get a little bit more of a, you can feel now, instead of it going up inside of there and then kind of losing its momentum, it comes down more and then it'll slope and then goes throughout the room much better. So that would be my really only complaint about it as far as the way it works. So there you have it. I would say it does what it says it does. I would say to go ahead, if you're on the fence, purchase that. The build quality's there. It seems pretty well built other than that fan coming out and blowing up. You can customize it though, or maybe yours goes straight. Who knows? So I would say to go ahead and buy it. If you want to buy it from the link in the description of this video, I can make a few pennies off of my Amazon affiliate link. That'd be nice. We can all be friends. So go ahead, buy it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.